So I just wanted to show you quickly when the recipe talks about folding. It's not the same kind of kneading that we've done before. It goes like this. You have a little bit of water available, so I have some water here in my little bowl. And you stick your hands in there and that will keep it from sticking because this dough is really sticky. And what you do is you take your hands in the water and then you reach down about a fourth of it and then you just pull it so it gets nice and stretchy and then you just fold it over the top. And then you turn it a quarter of a turn, get your hands in the water again, and just pull until it starts to have some resistance and pull it over. And then do the same thing. If your hands aren't that sticky, you don't have to add the water to it. Like I said, just grab, pull, just pull over the top, and then do it the fourth time. So you've done it a fourth of the time each time. Now this is the bread that I use, my sourdough starter that I made from just out of flour and water. And then once I have it all the way around, I'm just going to turn it over so that way it has a way to, the gluten is nice and stretched, and hopefully the bubbles will start doing that. In just a minute, I'm going to shape this and put it in, I'm taking these colanders and I'm going to line them with a clean towel. And then once I put the towel in, I'm going to dust it with flour so that way it doesn't stick. So this, just to get you started, and talk a little bit more in a minute. This is the finished bread that I made. The one on the left is the sourdough and the right is the artisan.